Tuesday. Tuesday for la 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 la. My battery is about to die, so this video is gonna be very short. So today I just want to let you guys know I'm not gonna oh, actually, since we are in winter, everything is actually pretty smooth and pretty nice. Everyone is dressing up cozy, getting ready to keep themselves warm. So there's 5 things that I have actually observed for the past couple of days, how people are actually improving in their fashion sense. So let's get to it, right? Let's get started. Number one is makeup. Nowadays I feel like a lot of teenager adult people are a lot into makeup. Everyone know how to actually put their makeup looking nicely on them, so that I actually give it to them, since I'm a little behind when it comes to makeup. But I really do appreciate people that know how to make their makeup look so pretty and so cute. So yeah, that's one of the nice fashions that actually been involving, and it has for a very long time. Number 2, nowadays everybody want to look pretty. Since everybody want to look pretty, and I feel like everybody is actually looking into the way they can be healthy into themselves. By healthy, not just in the fashion way, but in the way they take care of themselves, going to the gym, eating healthy, trying to work out at home, take a walk with your dog. That's a pretty nice fashion thing to do actually, even though it's part of health, but it's also part of fashion. Because if you do all of those activities, at the end of the day you get to actually feel good about yourself. And when you feel good about yourself, whatever you wear, today I feel like I'm off fashion. I look like I'm all the way and this here. You know what, let's take this up. So that's number 2. Okay, now it looks less crazy. Number 3 is the way people actually mix their colors now. It's actually pretty cute. It's nice, it's fascinating that they get to mix their colors together and get the perfect color that they feel is great for themselves, and which is pretty nice though. You know, that's all it's about. Fashion is about colors, mixing colors together, and when you get to mix those colors and get the color that you want, trust me, you know how that goes. The feeling is neutral, it's great, it's fantastic. And number four is the way we take care of our hair, and that's part of fashion too. The way we take care of our hair, I have seen so many women nowadays bleaching their hair to a different color, getting a new haircut, or like dyeing their hair, or different style. That's all part of fashion, and that's all part of living. You see, like, fashion is not just about clothes, it's about how you take care of yourself and how you present yourself. And that means it starts from what is inside of you. Eating healthy food is perfect. Going to the gym is all adding up to that. And then number 5, my favorite part is sleep. Because when you get to rest enough, it actually give it the nice perfect tone of skin. Your skin is literally different. Instead of having those baggy eyes, which lately I haven't seen a lot like back in the days. You see a lot. I mean, maybe it's happening, or I'm just not paying too much attention to it, or maybe the people that I'm seeing are the one that don't have it, but I'm not sure. Like, too much baggy eyes right here is less going away with people. I'm not talking about celebrity that have money and go get it look nice, but a lot of teenagers, adult these days, they've been getting rest, maybe because of the COVID. All we do is sit at home and do nothing. Maybe that's what it is. It's like a lot of different has happened, a lot of good outcome, even though the corona drove everybody pretty much half insane, but it have actually given us a chance to realize how much we care about ourselves, how much to take care of your skin, and how to present yourself. I know we're not dressing up to go out, but we're actually dressing up to stay home, which means eating healthy at home, having family time. That's all part of everything, health, fashion. Because if you feel all of that, that's give you more courage to actually go out there and look fantastic. Look, I'm literally dressing simple right now, very very much simple, but at the same time I feel good about me. I feel healthy of what I'm eating, even though I gained some weight, but the food that I've been eating lately is actually very very good. It's healthy. I've been eating a lot of soup thanks to my mom. She's been cooking and feeding me, and she always has been cooking and feeding me. So everyone that has a mom out there, thanks your mom, okay? Or anyone that's feeding you, turn around and say thank you. And guess what? Thanksgiving is around the corner. So that's all I have for today. I'm excited to see Thanksgiving and I can't wait to spend time with my family. So those are the fashion tips that I have, those 5 fashion tips that I have actually noticed lately for the past couple of weeks, which is pretty amazing. See, there's no worse in fashion. I mean, we might think there's bad, but at the same time we have some good outcome in fashion industry or in fashion within ourselves. The way we take care of ourselves, meaning eating right, exercising, getting more rest, which I think we've been doing, dressing nicely, mixing colors, and taking care of ourselves, putting on nice makeup. Eh, I don't have makeup on, but besides this and that, that's all it's about, taking care of yourself. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope I see you guys on Saturday. I'm excited. So yeah, I'll show you guys